The Grand Canyon is one of the wonders of the world. This wonderful region of red rocks and mountains has been shrouded in mystery for many years. Extensive research is underway into this rugged, arid, secluded, hundreds of miles of uninhabited area. In today's episode, we will explore the entire Grand Canyon region and try to find out what mysteries surround this region. The Grand Canyon is a steep-sided canyon carved by the Colorado River in Arizona, United States. The Colorado River flows through this canyon. The canyon is 277 miles, or 446 kilometers long, and 18 miles, or 29 kilometers wide, and about 1,857 meters deep. President Theodore Roosevelt played a major role in preserving the canyon. He often came here for hunting and traveling. The Colorado River began flowing through the Grand Canyon at least 17 million years ago. Since then, the Colorado River has given birth to the present canyon through its flow and land erosion. The canyon and adjacent rim are contained within Grand Canyon National Park, the Kaibab National Forest, Grand Canyon, Parashant National Monument, the Hualapai Indian Reservation, the Havasupai Indian Reservation, and the Navajo Nation. Nearly 2 billion years of Earth's geological history have been exposed as the Colorado River and its tributaries cut their channels through layer after layer of rock, while the Colorado Plateau was uplifted. While some aspects of the history of the incision of the canyon are debated by geologists, the Colorado River established its course through the area about 5 to 6 million years ago. The Grand Canyon is a river valley in the Colorado Plateau that exposes uplifted Proterozoic and Paleozoic strata, and is also one of the 6 distinct physiographic sections of the Colorado Plateau province. The Grand Canyon is known for its visually overwhelming size and its intricate and colorful landscape. These rock layers record much of the early geologic history of the North American continent. Uplift associated with mountain formation later moved these sediments thousands of feet upward and created the Colorado Plateau. The higher elevation has also resulted in greater precipitation in the Colorado River drainage area, but not enough to change the Grand Canyon area from being semi-arid. Grand Canyon is divided into 2 rims. Temperatures on the north rim are generally lower than those on the south rim because of the greater elevation. Heavy rains are common on both rims during the summer months. The Grand Canyon is part of the Colorado River Basin, which has developed over the past 70 million years. The ancestral Puebloans were a Native American culture centered on the present-day, Four Corners area of the United States. They were the first people known to live in the Grand Canyon area. The cultural group has often been referred to in archaeology as the Anasazi, although the term is not preferred by the modern Puebloan peoples. The Sinagua were a cultural group occupying an area to the southeast of the Grand Canyon, between the Little Colorado River and the Salt River, between approximately 500 and 1425 CE. The Sinagua may have been ancestors of several Hopi clans. Weather in the Grand Canyon varies according to elevation. The forested rims are high enough to receive winter snowfall, but along the Colorado River in the inner gorge, temperatures are similar to those found in Tucson and other low-elevation desert locations in Arizona. Conditions in the Grand Canyon region are generally dry, but substantial precipitation happens twice annually. Average annual precipitation on the south rim is less than 16 inches, with 60 inches of snow. The higher north rim usually receives 27 inches of moisture, with a typical snowfall of 144 inches. Temperatures vary wildly throughout the year, with summer highs within the inner gorge commonly exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and winter minimum temperatures sometimes falling below 0 degrees Fahrenheit along the canyon's rims. Weather conditions can greatly affect hiking and canyon exploration, and visitors should obtain accurate forecasts, because of hazards posed by exposure to extreme temperatures, winter storms, and late summer monsoons. The Grand Canyon area has some of the cleanest air in the United States. However, at times the air quality can be considerably affected by events, such as forest fires and dust storms in the southwest. There are approximately 1,737 known species of vascular plants, 167 species of fungi, 64 species of moss, and 195 species of lichen found in Grand Canyon National Park. The three most common amphibians in these riparian communities are the canyon tree frog, red-spotted toad, and woodlouse Rocky Mountain toad. Leopard frogs are very rare in the Colorado River corridor. They have undergone major declines and have not been seen in the canyon in several years. There are 33 crustacean species found in the Colorado River and its tributaries within Grand Canyon National Park. Grand Canyon National Park is one of the world's premier natural attractions, attracting about 5 million visitors per year. Although people and thousands of civilizations have disappeared from the Earth over time, the Grand Canyon still stands tall, witnessing millions of years of history.